This is Rukmini Mata Mandir at Dwarka, an exquisitely carved temple. This is the back side. If you can see the intricate carving here, it's absolutely brilliant. And as it is very close to the sea, okay, the backwaters here, it gets eroded a lot, the rock. You can see it in the porous holes here. Yeah, on all this. And on the top, they are not corroded. So this is Rukmini Mata temple, which is on the other side of the town, where the main Dwarkadhish or Shri Krishna's temple is, which is about 3 kilometers away. This temple, it's beautiful, very windy here, very pleasant. And that's the entry where we come. It's an old stone temple with very intricate carvings. Beautiful. That's Rukmini Mata's flag or the Dwaj. Each one of the gods have their own flags, which we call as Dwaj. And I'm taking you into the, I don't know whether they will allow it in the inner sanctum, so it is closed anyway at this moment, but we will see if it, when it opens, if they allow, we will do. This is en route to Bet Dwarka from Dwarka. In Dwarka I was not able to shoot at all because the mobiles are taken away, heavy security. But this is a beautiful, and to me they are all flamingos. I hope you can see, they are beautiful flamingos. I'll try and see if I can take a closer one. No, and it's a beautiful pink color. I'm on my way to Bet Dwarka. Hello, now I'm at the port where I'll board my jetty to the island of Bet Dwarka. Yeah, it's a beautiful early morning here, and the sun is hot. A lot of people waiting to go. That's the Sudama Setu, the new walkway bridge between Dwarka and Bet Dwarka now. Okay, so after some days or months, we will not be needing to take the ferry, okay, and walk down to Bet Dwarka. Bet means island, okay, and Bet Dwarka is where Shri Krishna had his home. He would rest there, and at Dwarka, that was his kingdom, where he would be ruling his kingdom. Yeah, I can see a lot of gulls here. A beautiful day, just perfect for this ferry ride. It will take us 20 minutes. Now everybody waiting here for the ferry. I'll see you on the ferry now. Just see the seagulls coming over the ferry. Some people feed them, so they are coming right over us, creating a chaos. This gentleman is feeding them, he's recording, and they come a lot here. Now I'm on the ferry, 10 minutes. Now back to Dwarka from here. In the ferry right now, the temple of Dwarkadhish, who is home actually. No recording is permitted, no mobile is permitted, so couldn't do a video for you from there. Now back in the ferry, and we should be in 10 minutes at Oka. It's an old-fashioned ferry, but most of these are ferries, and some of them are those fishing boats. See the seagulls? They are a sight to watch. Some police constables. Sudama Setu. It will cover the, it will be from Okha to Bet Dwarka, so there will be no need to take ferries and after it is built. And as the temple was, you are not allowed to carry the mobile inside the temple, so I was not able to make video for you. This is the ferry ride that you can enjoy. That is the bridge that has already been, work has started on it. It is connected halfway from Okha till here. It's called Sudama Setu, and now it is being continued up till Bet Dwarka. So once it is complete, it will be a really useful thing for people to walk across from Dwarka to Bet Dwarka. Okay, so that is how it will be. The sea looks lovely.